Did you know American patriots were getting banned from Twitter for posting flag emojis while big tech censorship reached peak insanity? It was early 2022, and a frustrated veteran watched his account disappear for sharing 4th of July content. "We need help," he called out into the digital void. Meanwhile, Elon Musk was planning his hostile takeover bid, but someone else heard the call first. A mild-mannered businessman in a red tie suddenly felt his phone buzz. The sky turned red, white, and blue as his platform liberation cape burst forth. MAGA Man had arrived, fists glowing with free speech powers. He crashed straight through Twitter headquarters just as Musk walked in. "Let's settle this with a platform-building competition," he declared. What happened next was pure magic. MAGA Man and Musk literally constructed a new truth social media empire with their bare hands. His algorithm freedom powers instantly restored every banned conservative account. Americans could finally post freely again as the two shook hands over their victory against big tech tyranny.